A beverage that has gained its own special following, respect, and most importantly, love of millions of people is coffee. The number of fancy equipments and machinery available to prepare the coffee is innumerable. Even more fascinating is the number of methods involved to prepare the coffee. Amongst these several methods, one of the humble ways and one of the popular preferred techniques is our own South Indian filter coffee. Welcome back to our channel and another episode of Happy Cooking. In today's episode, let's learn to prepare the humble South Indian filter coffee delicately and extract the flavors of coffee generously. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. Firstly, it's important to understand the measurement of the coffee filter that we use. Here, we have taken a medium-sized coffee filter with a capacity of 250 ml. A point to be kept in the mind here is, it is ideal to heat a little less water or about 50 ml less water than the capacity of the filter. Therefore, we are heating 200 ml of water here in a saucepan. The most important ingredient to prepare the coffee is a perfect blend of coffee powder. Here we have taken Cothas Coffee powder. The suggestion of this brand is based on our experience and definitely is not a promotion or advertising of the product. We have been using this particular blend for more than 20 years. Therefore, our suggestion comes based on the pleasant experience and taste of the product. Here we are adding about 4 tablespoons of coffee powder to the filter. Do not press the powder after having added it to the filter. It is almost a habit as well as a discipline to add a quarter teaspoon of sugar after adding coffee powder. If you ask us why we add sugar, we definitely have no answers. But then adding sugar does make the extract a pleasant one. Water has come to a boil, therefore now is the time to add water. First, let's add 1/4 of the measured water. It's a good idea and practice to add rest of the water once this percolates. While preparing the decoction, it's very important to be delicate. Therefore, do not mix or press or shake the contents of the filter. While the decoction extract gets ready, let's heat the milk for the coffee. Here we have taken about a quarter liter or 250 ml of milk. Once the milk gets a little hot and before we add sugar to the milk, it's very important to foam the milk as shown in the video. This process thickens the milk as well as it helps the milk release its natural sweetness. Once we have a thick froth, let's add 2 teaspoons of sugar to this. After having added the sugar, let's continue to foam it till the milk gets hot and sugar melts thoroughly. Here the hot, fresh and fragrant decoction is ready. Coffee is not just a beverage, it's indeed an experience. The pleasantness in serving it delivers the same pleasantness to the mind. Therefore, we have to prepare it to the best of our time and best of our patience. After adding required decoction to the tumbler, let's add the milk gently and firmly from the top. Do not be tempted to mix the contents of the glass after adding the milk. Doing it will spoil the taste of the coffee. This is it, my dear friends. Hot, fragrant and flavor-packed South Indian filter coffee is ready. The care and the patience devoted while preparing the coffee is reflected in its taste. This truly was a joy to savor. We hope that you will prepare this at your homes and experience the same joy when you sip it. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.